The hardest man in town. This game still kept by Nate. Somebody told he's losing the home, but you will regulate. Music and you like a body and soul. Golden duo ain't hard to see. The G-Funk carry got everlasting, cause your favorite note was G. Nobody does it better than you, Nate. We want to mix up a zone, but it's too late. Nobody does it better than you, Nate. And now you're gone, and it's so sad, yeah.
For sure, so I didn't grow. From the last room to the next room, my hands blow with the best flow. So we know where do you go, and what are you looking for? Talking about heaven's door.
As goes, nobody does it better than you. Ace for the absolutely resolute view.